Today, what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be making a cold chisel. This is going to be a one-sided chisel so that it cuts flat after going in with a larger chisel that cuts way more material. It's for finishing. Using a piece of high carbon steel. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to nip off this end here. Only one side. So I'm only going to cut from one side. There we go. Now that's the start of my chisel point. So I want it to be flat along here, but the chisel's going to cut that way. So I'm going to come back and taper this up after I cut it off the bar. I want about this much. So that bit right there. This stuff is supposed to be D2. That's what the guy who gave it to me said. I'm not sure what it is. But it's not D2. It doesn't work harden like D2 is supposed to. It's oil quench. It's relatively easy to work. Yeah, I don't know what it is. Just straighten that up for the next time I need it. I don't want to quench that because if I do, it might crack, since it is high carbon steel and not medium carbon steel like 1040. I want to give this hammer a name. Something like the Velvet Touch. Okay, now we're going to start working on the chisel point. So I'm going to draw it out. I like my metal like I like what my women. Hot and soft. This is the part where I question my life.
My sad, sad life.
Making sure it's all straight and we'll be good for the grinding. Ha ha! tools? Who needs stinking power tools? I got a horseshoe rasp. Good enough. Should still be hot enough in there that yep. Alright. Now, what I'm doing here, I'm cleaning it off. I'm gonna, oh, it's already done. Shoot. I gotta re-harden it because the temper, it's hard to see, but the temper is already there. So, well, another quench won't hurt it. Into the oil it goes. Watch for the colors. See a straw. Quench it again. Do that 2 more times. Nice straw color coming up there. The purple, the peacock, the bronze, and the straw. The straw is all the way up. Safety squints on. Power on. This doesn't need to be super sharp of an angle because it's for cutting cold metal. So I'm just trying to adjust the bevel. Doesn't have to be perfect because it's just a tool. There we go, let's see if it works. Sacrificial piece of 1/2-inch bar. And no damage to the edge. Let's do it again. Get off. There we go. Focus! Well, there's no damage to the edge. It's still sharp. And I could keep cutting with this. Oh, I could keep cutting with this all day.
You see.